Welcome back to Installation Insiders with the YCS team. Today we want to talk about a new product for 2021, our YCS code-approved vent fan. The fan is going to look like this, and Benny's going to tell us a little bit more about the functions of the fan and how it works.
Okay, so this is an exciting product. I'm going to pop this out just to show you how easy it is to mount. It's got a piece of foam on the back. It's a low CFM fan. It's adjustable to meet the square footage of your house. So this will allow you to meet the International Building Code specifications for conditioned crawl spaces. This will do up to a 3,000. It'll do from a 1,500 to a 3,000 square feet, and it'll extend the life of your dehumidifier, and it's extremely effective. It mounts from the inside of the crawl space or the outside.
For more episodes of Installation Insiders, visit our website or give us a call today to speak with a Crawlspace expert.